I'm gonna need all of you to be honest right now. How many of you actually use this handle? This is called the oh shit handle. Oh shit! I can understand the passenger one, like someone's riding along with you and your car is just so fast, bro. And when you punch it, they're like, oh shit! Grab the oh shit handle. But I mean, if you're driving, right, like your hands are on the wheels. Well, hopefully your hands are on the wheels. But I don't use this handle. But you know what I do use a lot? Sunglasses. Every day when I drive my car, I wear my sunglasses because mostly it's sunny here in North Carolina. There really aren't too many good locations in this car to store sunglasses. You've got one spot in here. My phone's supposed to go there. The charger's in there. So typically that's taken up. You have the glove compartment, but dude, you gotta reach over every time you get the sunglasses. You see what I'm saying. I used to have a spot down here in my other F30, but I don't have one. It's taken up by these safety electronics. The last place would be obviously the side, but if you set them in there, it's gonna move around and they're gonna get scratched. So I actually bought this little compartment for my other F30 and it just makes sense. It's super easy, it's good quality. It's out of the way, it's in a convenient location. So if you're rocking the shades like me, dude, this is something that all of you should definitely get. All right, so this is what we are looking at. So you can see, this is how it kind of mounts. It's got these two holes on the side right here. It's basically just gonna pop right up in that corner and you can open it up and put your shades in there. It's like a pleather, you know, it's a plastic, but it's got like a leather kind of wrap feel to it. And then the inside is felt. Kind of hard for you guys to see, but the inside is actually felt, so it won't damage your glasses. It's the perfect remedy for a storage compartment for sunglasses. Super easy to install. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it right quick. First things first, here's your handle. See these two little covers on the side there? One there, one there. So once you have those off, you're gonna see on the inside here, there's like two little metal pins. Basically, you have to press these both together. So there's gonna be, the top is like right there. You see that metal piece that sticks out? You're gonna have to stick something in there and then stick something on the bottom one, and you're gonna wanna press them together and pull, and that's gonna actually release it. It's kind of like a V clamp. So you're gonna press the outside so it compresses the V and then pull out. However you wanna do it, you can use like two trim tools, you can use two pick tools, you could use two knives, you could use two flat heads. I'll probably just use two pick tools. It seems easiest, but I will need both my hands to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out and then I'll show you what it looks like on the outside. Kind of explain it a little bit easier. So these are the two clips that you're trying to release. Right here, you're basically pressing those down and pulling it out, and you'll see the metal inside of there that you need to compress in order for it to release. But that's it, then it just pulls right out. Sorry for this terrible angle, but it is what it is. You're gonna see these two little plastic pieces in the kit. They'll snap right in, but you're gonna place those in the previous holes. It should look like that. So if you look at the back of this, you're gonna see those holes right there. Basically what you're gonna do is take this, line it up with those holes. You're gonna have to open it up while you do it. So like that, and you're gonna run a screw through there to hold this in place. And then there's little covers to hide the screw. So, and everything comes in this kit. Everything you need comes with it. So it's like really easy to install. See how like clean it is? How it just fits that area like perfectly? So those are the existing screws in there, literally just screwing it right through. And then they give you these little covers. Right, just like that. Look at that. Freaking factory, dude. Looks like it belongs there. You know how simple that is. Go ahead and set your shades up in there. Just like that. Bam. Oh, I need my shades. Damn. Super convenient. It's out of the way. Definitely hide something in here. Anyways, I always think that this is like an interesting little thing that people can add to their F30s that kind of makes a big difference. Like I wear sunglasses every day and it's just a convenient spot to put them. So I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested in buying it. It'll take you like 5 minutes to install. It's super easy. But yeah, that's really all this video is. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys are probably gonna start noticing that I'm increasing the number of videos that I'm putting out per week because honestly, I have a lot of work to do on this car and a lot of content, and I want it to be current with like everything else, with like what's going on in real life. So I'm trying to like crank these videos out. I don't like putting modifications on the car and then like having to hide it from like the rest of the world until YouTube sees it. So I just try to make these videos, you know, as current as possible rather than like scheduling them out super far and separating the videos per number of days. So we'll probably do like, we'll probably increase the upload count to like 5 videos per week. And that will really allow me to just keep installing all the modifications and everything, because dude, I have a lot of stuff here and I have a lot of stuff to install. It's kind of daunting, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. Dude, this build's gonna be insane. I think you guys are really gonna dig what I bought for the car. It's not even like an I think. You guys for sure are gonna love what I bought for this car. All the different stuff and the way that we're building it is gonna be so dope. Anyways, that's all I got for you. Go ahead and buy this if you want it. Link down below. Love you. See you in the next one. Peace. Also, dude, before I forget, shout out to the subscriber who commented about the dent in the seat, man. I know, it's driving me crazy too. When I was editing the video, I'm like, God damn it, how do I get rid of that thing? So I actually used a heat gun on it this morning for a little bit, for about 5 minutes or so, like on and off, let it heat up and then pulled it off and let it cool down, heat it back up. It's still there, but I think I need to give it like a week and then just kind of keep going at it. You can actually like feel the dent in the foam behind here, so I don't know what happened. So yeah, we'll see what happens, but shout out to you, bro. Appreciate the suggestion. That's definitely helping out. I didn't realize like how big of an eyesore that was because the camera's right over there and it's like, dude, all you can see is this freaking dent. So shout out to you guys.